Salesforce just retired 24 certifications, not renamed, retired. One brand new certification is replacing almost all of them. So what does this mean for your Trailblazer profile? In this video, I will show you exactly which certifications are being retired, what replaces them for admins, consultants, and architects, and the skills Salesforce now expects from every certified professional. This channel breaks down Salesforce news before it confuses your resume. If that is useful, hit subscribe right now. A certification you already hold might be quietly losing its value. Hiring managers are already searching for the new titles instead. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which certifications to chase and which ones to leave alone. Let's start with the news itself. 24 certifications are being fully retired, that is 15 accredited professional exams and 9 standard certifications. An accredited professional exam is a narrower product-specific credential. A standard certification carries broader recognitions across the whole ecosystem. Some big names are on that list: CPQ Administrator, B2B Solution Architect, B2C Commerce Architect, Education Cloud Consultant, and Nonprofit Success Pack Consultant are on it too. Several marketing cloud credentials are being sunset as well. Here are the dates you actually need to remember. July 24, 2026 is the last day to register for these exams. August 31, 2026 is the last day to actually sit and pass one. February 2027 is when all 24 officially retire. Why is Salesforce doing this? They want the certification program to match what hiring manager asks for today. Salesforce has spent the last few years repositioning its entire platform around AI. The old certification catalog just did not reflect that shift anymore. This cleanup is not random. Salesforce is clearing the path for the next generation of credentials, but here is the part nobody is talking about. If you already hold one of these certifications, it does not disappear. It stays on your Trailblazer profile. It stays valid. It just stops being the thing hiring managers are actively searching for. Salesforce is doing all of this to make room for one platform, AgentForce, Salesforce platform for building autonomous AI agents. These agents can handle tasks and take action across your org on their own. 16 existing certifications are simply being renamed starting July 24, 2026. Service Cloud Consultant becomes AgentForce Service Consultant. That exact pattern repeats across the whole catalog. The content does not change. You do not need to retake anything. Now, here is the part that actually matters. There is one brand new certification called the AgentForce Specialist. It replaces the old AI Associate certification, which already retired earlier this year. This exam goes much deeper into real hands-on application than the old exam did. You get tested on Prompt Builder, Model Builder, and Einstein Copilot. Those are the real tools used to build and manage AI agents inside Salesforce. Prompt Builder lets you design instructions that guide an AI agent step by step. Model Builder lets you bring in and manage your own AI models. Inside Salesforce, developers get tested on building custom Copilot actions. Architects get tested on grounding AI in Data Cloud. Admins get tested on AI governance inside their own org. If you only chase one certification this year, Salesforce wants it to be this one, which is AgentForce. If you want a faster path through the AgentForce Specialist exam, I built a full course for it. It is called the Salesforce AgentForce Specialist Certification course at MyTutorialRack. And before we continue, I also publish new Salesforce videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you do not want to miss the next one, hit subscribe right now. If you are an administrator, your exam already changed. The platform administrator exam now includes a brand new AgentForce section That section makes up 8% of your final score. Data and analytics management jumped to 17%. That makes it the single largest section on the whole exam. Admins are no longer just configuring page layouts and permission sets. You are now expected to manage the data quality feeding your AI agents. That data quality work now directly affects how well your agents perform. You also need to understand the basics of the Einstein trust layer. If you are a consultant, your path is being consolidated, not replaced. CPQ Administrator retiring pushes you towards Revenue Cloud consultant instead. Nonprofit success pack consultant is being phased out as well. It is shifting towards AgentForce nonprofit consultant. Your two most valuable credentials going forward are Data Cloud consultant, which is Data 360, and AgentForce Specialist. Start thinking in this new product language now before job postings force you to. If you are an architect, this is more cleanup than shakeup. The niche B2B and B2C Solution Architect certifications are retiring. The core ladder still stands. Application Architect, System Architect, and the CTA remain the gold standard. What changes is the expectation around your focus. You now need to design AI solutions that are secure and scalable. You also need to keep data use ethical across the platform. Across every single role, 3 skills matter most in this shift. First is prompt engineering and Einstein Copilot. You need to get genuinely good at instructing AI clearly. That means mastering prompt builder for real business tasks. Developers should focus on building Copilot actions using invocable Apex methods. Second, Data Cloud. None of these AI agents work without clean, unified data behind them. Learning to unify data into a single customer profile is now a core skill. It is quickly becoming the foundation every AI project depends on. Third, AI governance and the Einstein trust layer. You are responsible for making sure these agents stay fair and secure. That means understanding data masking and transparent AI behavior. Poor governance here can expose your company to real compliance risk. These concepts now show up across nearly every certification on the new catalog. So here is what this actually means for you. Salesforce professionals who add Data 360 and AgentForce skills are pulling ahead right now. The AgentForce Specialist certification is brand new, so fewer people currently hold it. That makes it a genuine differentiator on your resume today. Certifications alone will not carry your resume the way it did 5 years ago. The professionals who paired it with the real AgentForce experience are the ones getting interviews. Recruiters notice candidates who move early on a platform shift like this, wait for it to become common, and that advantage quietly disappears. Let's bring this all together. 24 certifications are retiring by February 2027. 16 are simply getting renamed with no new content to learn. One brand new certification, which is the AgentForce Specialist, now matters most. Every role now needs Data 360, prompt engineering, and AI governance skills. If this video helped you make sense of the changes, hit subscribe. New Salesforce videos go up every Tuesday and Thursday. Drop a comment. Which certification on this list do you currently hold? And if you want the fastest path through the new exam, my Salesforce AgentForce Specialist certification course is at MyTutorialRack. Link is in the description. Thank you.